Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel, and in this tutorial I am going to show you that how can you download Aster dem data from our data website. So first of all, you have to make an account on this website. Just write our data on Google and go to our data login and fill all these requirement over here. In this case I have already an account on this website, so just go to our data and from here go to our data sets. Now find your area of interest. Okay, from here you can go to instrument and select the instrument to Aster. From here you can draw the shape of your area over, like I will draw a rectangle on my area of interest. And expand this panel. Click over here. Okay, from here you can see that there are 4 tiles on my area of interest, and if you want to download all of these files, you can go download all. If you want to download all of these files, you can click on download, and if you want to select or remove any tile, then click on over here and you can remove the tile. In this case I don't want these 2 tiles, so I will remove this one and I will remove this one. Now I have 2 granules, 2 tiles, and their size is 64.8 MB, and click on download data. By clicking on these links you will download your files, like one click on this link and then one click on this link, one click on this link, and same by clicking on this link. Okay, here I have downloaded 4 files from this website and they are here in this folder, and we have 2 different files. One is dem.tif, that is the file of dem data, and one is num.tif, and num.tif tile is likely a part of Aster dem dataset, and it may contain numerical or integer values representing the elevations or other related informations. So let's see this file on ArcMap. Just go to ArcMap and file destination dem, the first tile and the second tile. Okay, and there you have it. That's how you can easily access and download Aster digital elevation model data for your projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumb up and subscribe to my channel for more valuable tutorial and guides. Okay, also feel free to comment down below if you have any question, suggestion, query, or if you would like to see more tutorial on specific tutorials. Feel free to comment down. See you in next tutorial. Take care. Allah Hafiz.